Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about views and URL in Python Django, and we'll learn what is the relationship between views and URL. That's the intention of this video, why I'm teaching you about views with URL. So let's start to learn the meaning of views. So views in Django is the Python function that corresponds to a page requested by generating a corresponding page. So in Python Django, views is just a Python function which responds to a page, which responds to a request by generating page. So all pages in Python Django are the result or are the output of views, whereby in views we have functions. So here below you can see that this is called the function def hello. So this function return hello there to the browser. So views in Python is just a function which generates a page. So that's the meaning of views in Python Django. So here we go. I'm going to create or to start a project whereby we will create a view. Also we'll add or will import views in URLs. So by definition, URLs in Django is just a Python file which include the path of all URLs of Django project or Django website and whatever. So in urls.py we need to import views before we put their path. That's it, and that's the meaning of URLs and views. So the relationship between URLs and views is that views is the Python function, while URLs store the path of views or store the path of Python functions defined in views.py. So let's start a project. I'm opening a terminal. So Django admin start project more tech app. Oh, I'm in a virtual environment. Let me deactivate it. Sorry. And clear this. So Django admin start a project more tech app already exists. So let me change the name. Django admin start a project. Let's say Udom. Oh, what's happening? Django start a project. Let me call a name. Let's say this is YouTube. This is a project name, YouTube. So that's it. Let me open here in Django, and a folder called YouTube, which is our project folder, is already created. So open again here. This is URLs file. It contains all URLs of Django project. So here let's create another Python file and give it a name, views. Yes, as I've said it before that views is a Python function which handle the request from user and generate a page. So here from Django.http import http response. Yeah, that's it. After that, let's create a function that's a view. This is called home. Pass your request. Yes, request. After that, we return http response hello world. So this is the view. As I told you before, or as we spoke before, that view is just a Python function. So our function is called the home. So we are done with view. So as I told you that there is a great relationship between views and the URLs. So let's go to the URLs file and see how does view and URLs relate, or their relationship. So here we need to import view. So from .views import home. Yeah, this we import home as a view which we created here. This is home. Thus this is what we import. We import home, which is a view, from views file. So the next step is to add a path of view. So path. So this is the path. Then we put like this, home. So that's it. We have already created a view, which is a Python function. Also, we have already added a path of view in URLs. So view is a Python function, while URL is used to add the path of view in Django. So let's start a project to see what's happened. So Python manage.py run server. This is how to run Python project in Django. So let's change the directory cd. Let's change it to our project folder cd YouTube. Now we are in our project folder. So Python manage run server. So I hope the server will run. Let's click on this link. Now you can see hello world is displayed on a browser, and this is output of view together with URL files, which is used to add the path of views to be executed. So that's the end of my tutorial. We have learned about views, the meaning of views, the meaning of URL, relationship between views and the URL, and we have done a simple example on how we can create a view, add the path of view in URL file, and display a views or a page on a browser. Thanks for watching. That's the end of my tutorial. Do not forget to like, put a comment, and subscribe for next video update. This is Django. Goodbye.